Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to ollie on a skateboard. Okay, so if you don't know what an ollie is, it's basically just like a jump that you do on a skateboard, and it's like one of the most basic tricks that you learn, and it's probably the first trick you'll learn on a skateboard as well. So you should definitely try and learn this trick because once you get ollies you can go on to like kick flips and 180s and stuff like that. So yeah. So the first step to an ollie is where to put your feet, so I'll show you that now. For this trick you want to have your front foot just under the front bolts and your back foot right on the tail, like right here. And that should give you a good pop, and then if you want you can put it a bit further back when you're starting because it should help you out a little bit. So a good practice step for this trick is to go like this and do that a few times until you're used to it. So the next step is to practice sliding your foot up the board like this. You're going to want to practice this a lot. It will rip up your shoes, but it will make you used to the motion. When you're sliding your foot up, you want to make sure you're sliding this part of the shoe right here. This bit right here is kind of where you want to slide your foot up to the grip tape. With this trick, timing is like basically how you do the trick. You need to pop and like slide your foot up almost at the exact same time, and then it should lift you off the ground. Good practice step is to do this. So you put your tail on the ground and then slide your foot up at the exact same time. So the next step is jumping. So you want to do all of these steps and then jump at the same time. So what you want to do is you want to bend your knees and then pop, jump and slide. So all in like one motion. I'll show you what I mean here. So once you put all of those steps together, you should get your first ollie. So your first ollies will probably look like this. You won't get too high, but then the more you practice them and then the more confident you get with them, you'll be able to get them a lot higher. When you're first trying to do this trick, make sure you put your wheels in the cracks and you won't wobble around.